Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest gadgets and tech product. Today I am going to take a look at the Amazon Fire Max 11 tablet 2023, which is Amazon's most powerful and expensive tablet yet. Is it worth the price? Let's find out. So before starting this video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this tablet from Amazon in discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. Alright, the Fire Max 11 is a sleek and elegant device that features a vivid 11-inch display with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels. The screen is bright and colorful and it offers an immersive viewing experience for watching videos, browsing the web or playing the games. The bezels are small enough to maximize the screen, and the tablet has a premium build quality that feels solid and durable. This tablet is powered by an octa-core MediaTek processor with a clock speed of 2.2 GHz and 4 GB of RAM. This makes it faster and more expensive than previous Fire tablets, and it has handled multitasking and demanding apps with ease. The tablet also has 64 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 1 TB with a micro SD card. The Fire Max 11 runs on Fire OS, which is the Amazon's customized version of Android. Fire OS gives you access to Amazon ecosystem of services such as Prime Video, music, books, Audible, and much more. You can also get Alexa, Amazon's voice assistant, which can helpful you control your small home devices, check the weather, or you wanna play the music and much more. The Fire Max 11 has 8 megapixel camera on both the front and the back. The camera can record videos in 1080p resolution, and they have some features like HDR, panorama, and time lapse. The front camera also supports video calls with apps like Zoom or Skype. The tablet has dual speaker on the bottom edge, which produce decent sound quality, but it lacks bass and depth. The tablet also has a USB-C type port for charging and data transfer, a pogo pin for connecting accessories like a keyboard or a cover, and a headphone jack. The Fire Max 11 has a battery life up to 14 hours on a single charge, which is impressive for a tablet of this size. You can use it for the whole day of work or entertainment without worrying about running out of charge. The tablet also supports fast charging with the included 15-watt adapter, which can charge it from 0 to 50% in about an hour. The Fire Max 11 comes in two colors, grey and white. The tablets cost you $229 for the base model with ads on the lock screen, or $244 without ads. So you can get the up model with 120 GB of storage and no ads for just $279. Amazon also sells some accessories for Fire Max 11 such as detachable cover is around $50, a detachable keyboard is around $90, and a stylus is $35. You can get all the accessories link in the video description, and you can buy these accessories with the tablet as well. So what do I think of my Fire Max 11? Well, I think it's a great tablet for Amazon Prime subscribers who want to enjoy their content on a big and beautiful screen. It also has a good tablet for productivity and creativity, thanks to its fast performance and optional accessories. If you are looking for an alternative to the Fire Max 11, you may want to check out the Lenovo Tab P11. It costs you around $259. Which has similar specs but run on pure Android with Google Play Store access. Or if you want to spend more money, so you can consider Apple iPad or Galaxy S8 or S9 tablets, which have better screen, better cameras, better speaker, better support, and better accessory ecosystem. That's it for this video. I hope you find it helpful and informative. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.